Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an OLT. First, ensure your optical line terminal is securely connected to a stable power source, typically providing 48 volts direct current. Proper grounding is crucial for safety and equipment longevity. Next, carefully install all required service cards, like GPON line cards, into their designated slots within the OLT chassis. Finally, connect the OLT's management port to your network, allowing access for initial configuration. Once powered and connected, the next step involves configuring the OLT's network parameters. Assign a unique IP address and subnet mask to the management interface, enabling network communication. Implement virtual local area networks, or VLAN, to logically separate different types of traffic, such as internet, voice, and video services. If your network architecture requires it, configure appropriate routing protocols to ensure seamless data flow between various network segments. With the network foundation in place, we move to activating GPON services. Begin by creating GPON service ports and associating them with the installed line cards. Define service profiles, specifying crucial parameters like bandwidth limits, typically ranging from 100 megabits per second to 1 gigabit per second, and quality of service settings for different subscriber tiers. Finally, register the optical network units, or ONU, to the OLT, enabling subscriber connectivity and service delivery. The final stage involves verifying the OLT's operational status and establishing maintenance routines. Utilize diagnostic commands to confirm all services are active and optical network units are online. Continuously monitor network performance metrics, such as optical power levels and data throughput, to proactively identify and resolve any potential issues. Remember to regularly back up the OLT's configuration files, ensuring quick recovery in case of unforeseen system failures or data corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.